Have a great and premium video gamer St. Patrick's Day Gaming Streak Patty's Day shirt. Wonderful. Premium video gamer St. Patrick's Day Gaming Streak Patty's Day shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Hoodie, V-neck, tank top, sweatshirt. Celebrate Christmas and premium video gamer St. Patrick's Day Gaming Streak Patty's Day shirts. New Year. Other products. Smoking top women's I'm not fat, I am just so freaking sexy December girl funny shirts. Smokers do not die from a smoking related illness, and 9 out of 10 smokers do not contract lung cancer. This is not to say that smoking is good for your news flash. Smoking is not good for you. If you are reading this article through the blue haze of cigarette smoke, you should quit. So yeah, still an idiot. He pretty much says smoking doesn't kill, as it only kills 1 out of 3 people. But maybe he is not quite as much of an idiot as the posted meme indicates. Other products. Ladies tee, long sleeved, sweater and hoodie, long sleeved, ladies tee, hoodie, sweater. On Easter Sunday they'll have the current of therapeutic. Not my will. Nonetheless, Overjoyed Lamar Jackson Lightning Lamar shirt. Yours be carried out. Matthew chapter 26 verse 39. As a substitute for defending watch and praying, the disciples really feel asleep. Clearing of the temple. Matthew chapter 21 verses 12 to 17. And normal therapeutic miracles. As per the paperwork within the Gospels, the temple guards have been protected by Jesus' disciple Judas Iscariot. Within the backyard of Gethsemane, he then arrests Jesus. Some way, Pilate elbowed Jesus out from the gang to launch him. Jewish leaders weren't in a position to set free the lack of life sentence as a result of the Romans restricted this correct on Jews. Nonetheless, the last word phrase was the death sentence. He chose to face the ache of death head on. On that Friday, Virginia Governor Ralph Northam chosen to signal into laws HB 980 and SB 733 that completely eradicated all protections for unborn infants and their moms considering abortion. The Catholic laws of abstinence dictate that Catholics aged 14 and older ought to refrain from meat on Fridays altogether throughout Lent, along with on Good Friday. 3. Knowledgeable consent is a regulation for hospital surgical procedures. Good Friday is commemorated by the Catholic Church as a fast day. Overjoyed Lamar Jackson Lightning Lamar shirt by having an only one-time full meal in small and 2 collations. The Christian neighborhood marks this present day with fasting and church suppliers to commemorate the crucifixion of Jesus Christ and his demise at Calvary. Good Friday is well known as a Christian non-secular vacation. On this present day, the non-secular leaders arrested Jesus Christ for claiming to be the Son of God. 2 prisoners had been crucified alongside Jesus. She earned an advertising and marketing (PR) diploma from Ashland College. Other products.